a topic national income. National income. National income is the total market value of national income is the total market value of all the goods and services. All the goods and services are these goods and services are included as final goods. It is final goods and it produced in a financial year. This financial year starts from April 1st, ends on 31st March. National income. National income. Everyone has a certain income. You have certain income. I also have certain income. And same likewise, our nation also has some income. In this national income, some of the concepts are there. Now we will discuss about the concepts. First concept is GDP. GDP means gross domestic product. Gross domestic product. Gross domestic product is a territory. Here we have all the monetary values of the goods and services in a economy or within the economy. Next, GNP. GNP means gross national product. Gross national product. It is one of the concept of national income. Gross national product is the current market value of all the final goods and services. It has consumption plus investment plus government expenditure plus value of exports and value of imports are included in the GNP. C plus I plus G plus X minus M is called. C means consumption, I means investment, G means government expenditure, X means value of imports, M means value of imports. Next is NNP. NNP means net national product at market price. It consists of user cost and also depreciation. This income ends from the abroad. This income ends from the abroad. We take one example, that is Shah Rukh Khan is the Indian. His restaurant in the Dubai. So he earning income from the abroad. It means it's called net national product at market price. It was earned from the other country. So it is called as earned income from the abroad. So NNP is calculated as net income from abroad. Next, net national product at factor cost. Net national product at factor cost. It has land, labor, capital, entrepreneur. Land, labor, entrepreneur. We gain land. Land gives us rent from labor, wages. Land, when they doing other land, it comes rent and labor. They taking monthly wages. So it is called land, labor, wages. Capital, interest. Capital brings interest. Entrepreneur brings in profits. Next, per capita income. Per capita income. Per capita income, national income by total population. Per capita income, it includes the national income by total population. Income. Disposable income. Disposable income, it contains the consumption and savings. It consists as consumption plus savings. These are the concepts of national income. National income is the total market value of all the final goods and services. These this final year has some major terms, that is monetary value and money value. Monetary value and money value, and these goods and services are considered as final goods, not intermediary goods. These all the goods and services are concluded as final goods. These are all the concepts of national income. Thank you to giving this opportunity to me.
Okay.